Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you the final reveal of my daughter's rich and magical bedroom makeover. So over the course of the last 6 weeks, I've been working on changing my daughter's bedroom from something a little more baby-like to something a little more grown-up. Little A is 6 years old, she'll be 7 in a couple weeks, and I told her I wanted to give her a bedroom makeover for her 7th birthday, and we did it. We finished this room within 6 weeks. I'm also taking part in the One Room Challenge, which I will link to in the description box below. It's where a whole bunch of other bloggers and YouTubers and designers get together and make over one room in their home over the course of 6 weeks. And if you want to check out all of the other makeovers, lots of amazing reveals I'm sure are happening today and tomorrow, check out the One Room Challenge link in the description box below. So I will leave a link to all the other videos in this series down below as well, so you can check out what I did throughout the 6 weeks of this journey. So this week I did lots of the finishing touches. So I made some decals with my Cricut machine, cute little stars on some gold foil. I put those on the dark, deep teal wall to add a little bit of magic to the space. We found a really affordable shelf in the Walmart clearance section for Little A's Shopkins collection. I hung up this beautiful vintage mirror that I found that was one of the first pieces that inspired this entire makeover. I also hung up some picture ledges above the little bookcase that we built with IKEA shelves. The picture ledges are also from IKEA, so definitely affordable. And I put up some cute little books up there, some of Little A's stuffed animals, as well as a really adorable sign from William Ray Designs. Make sure to check out the link in the description box below and the exclusive coupon code to get 15% off your own wood signs. She has so many gorgeous designs that I'm sure you would love in your home. So after I styled the shelves, I styled the tops of the shelves on either side of the window seat. I added some cushions that I found on the window seat as well as the bed, just a few velvet cushions that I found at Target online as well as Amazon, and I'll try to link to everything in this room in the description box below so that you can shop these things if you like them as well. So here is how Little A's room looked before. Really cute, but I made it when she was only 18 months old and I didn't know her personality yet. So lots of soft pastel colors, lots of, baby and toddler friendly things. But now she is such a unique person. She loves deep colors, dark colors, drama, gold, all that kind of thing. So now here is how her rich and dramatic room looks. I am loving this deep, deep teal wall. This really sets the stage for the room. She wanted her whole room this color, and I said, why don't we do just one feature wall? The rest of the room is just a shade of this feature wall. It's a lighter greenish blue gray color, and I really like how it turned out as well. The duvet cover was well received. Little A loves that. And I just love all this kind of like boho accents, like all of the velvet and these deep jewel tones. The rug we used to have in our dining room downstairs, so I just brought it up here and I put our sisal rug in our dining room instead now. So that worked out really well. It was the perfect color for this space. I found a really cute unicorn lamp at HomeSense that really matched everything. Spray painted the chandelier, spray painted the knobs on the nightstand as well for a really quick and cheap update. And I really do love this window seat that we have here now. So there's so much storage. These are just the Kallax units from IKEA, just put in a row basically. And the baskets have her clothes in them. They have toys, they have some crafts. They basically store everything in her room that we can't fit in her closet. We also have this vintage vanity that my mom and dad painted for Little A when she was 3 years old, I think, over on this side of the room, and I think it ties in really well to the space. It's white with gold hardware. There's also this little stool here, which my mom made a really cute DIY faux fur top for. So here's how Little A looked when she first saw her room. What do you think?
I love it, Mama.
What do you think of your new
Yeah, I know it's...
nightlight?
I love it.
What do you think of your Shopkins shelf?
I love it too. This is like magic mirror.
Yeah.
I know I did that.
What do you think of the stars on the wall?
Oh yeah, I love it too. It looks pretty. And the unicorn.
Yeah, what do you think of the unicorn head?
I thought it was gonna be like 3D printed or something.
No, I couldn't 3D print a big enough one, so I had to order that one off the internet. You like it?
I love my new bedroom.
And what do you think of your shelves there?
Yeah, it looks good.
So like for
More better
stuffies,
than unicorn.
you are better.
Unicorn and sparkly combined.
You are better than unicorns and sparkles combined. And I got you some new books to read. This one, and I got you these books here. Little Princess and Secret Garden.
I'm a unicorn. I'm a unicorn. Oh, I'm a unicorn. Oh, I'm a unicorn.
What do you think of all the velvet pillows?
I love it too. They're so soft. Yeah. I'm a you. Listen for these ones even fail forever. You look at the secret. Yeah. I love it.
You okay with it? So little A is really happy with her room, which I'm so glad. That is the #1 thing I was hoping for this space. I'm happy with it as well. I think it's eclectic, it's cute, still kid-like, but we could change only a couple things around and it would really grow with her well into her teen years, I think. If you want to see more photos from this space, check out the link in the description box below. Again, check out the one room challenge link as well to see all of the other gorgeous rooms that are being made over this week. I can't wait to see them. There's always so much inspiration during these one room challenges. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas, and I will see you all again in my next video. Bye!